Welcome back to Weekend Out. My name is Gaurav. Naam to suna hoga. Now this is that part of the show where I have to eat because I have to show you guys a new restaurant. Actually, no, that's not true. This is that part of the show where I have to eat because I get paid for it. Actually, even that's not true. This is that part of the show where I have to eat because I love eating. And today I feel like eating some desi food. And that's why I have come to the much talked about Jodhpur restaurant at the Al Muruj Rotana. Now these guys claim to be serving retro innovative food. Now I found this term very, very intriguing. So I've come here to check what retro innovative actually means. Another reason why I've come to this restaurant is that this is owned by a friend of mine who I haven't said hello to in a very, very long time. Today might just be the day to say hello.
Jodhpur, a fine dining Indian restaurant, is a mix of modern and traditional aesthetics. The turquoise walls dominate the interiors, while the mirror wall and heavy use of gold symbolize royalty as a part of fine dining. With warm lighting, cozy and comfortable seating, this classy restaurant makes for a perfect family dinner place.
We had amazing starters. The pesto kebab was love it.
What I really liked was the jalebi presentation, and it was so crispy and perfect.
It's pretty good. Their ambience is very nice, the music inside, the kind of seating arrangements they have, plus, of course, the food.
When you call a restaurant Jodhpur, you think this restaurant is going to serve you Rajasthani food, right? But here the story is completely different. What's the idea behind that?
My family, we come from Jodhpur. So it's a proud moment for us to have our city name, and we're doing a good job. Secondly, food. Fusion, Rajasthani, and fusion, North Indian, it's catering.
It's really good. And these interiors are done up by you?
The color combination is because Jodhpur, when you look at, Jodhpur is called Blue City of India. And so basically you see blue, green, gold.
Right.
Gold is something kind of a royal dining.
It's also very Dubai.
Yeah.
Executive Chef Pradeep Khullar has mastered the art of playing with Indian flavors by using some of the best ingredients with latest food techniques and stylized procedures. It's time to meet the man behind the menu, and I'm waiting to be surprised by some great fusion.
Okay, chef, now, I find this term very interesting. Retro innovative. Now, please, Zarai samjhaiye mujhe. What do you mean?
Tell me, when did you eat khari last in your life?
It was a really long time ago. It used to be a staple for us.
When I was young, I was fed with kharis and ketchup during Sunday evening. But of course, in a restaurant, you can't do ketchup or chai as a pre-starter. So we developed this beautiful looking kharis with interesting herb yogurt. So this is retro and innovation, Look at this auto, it's so awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
So here's like the innovation where it transports you back to your childhood days.
But I have no memories with macaroons as a child.
Fantastic, yeah. That's a weird combination between a macaroon and the chaat mixture. So let me put it that way. I've condensed all those chaat flavors in this tiny filling.
This is chaat.
This is chaat, I call it macaroon chaat. And justice will only be done once you eat it at one go.
I have never ever had macaroon chaat. They've presented it also beautifully. Okay, let's go for it. When you see it, you're having a macaroon, and inside it just feels like you just had chaat. आपने अभी दही चाट खाई है, क्या मजा आ गया.
And this is how you surprise a diner because you don't expect a macaroon to behave in that way.
Flavors are still exploding in my mouth. It's amazing. This is kale patta chaat, and this is laban and ricotta kebab.
Yes.
You have to start with this. What is this?
A combination of labne and ricotta cheese, Italian and Mediterranean, coming from the same bed. And there's something very interesting about this, Gaurav. It's warm from the circumference, and the deeper you go, it is cooler.
Right.
So I put it that way, that this is perhaps the world's first cold kebab. We smoke and dehydrate our rose petals, and then we quickly roll it like a snowball.
Thank you.
Most welcome.
And this has this very pretty looking sort of powder. What is this?
These are coriander and beet powders. और साथ में खिलाते खिलाते मैं आपको एक चीज ये बताता हूँ. This dish is all about texture and temperature. Because we have classic watermelon and feta salad at the bottom.
Oh, okay, okay.
So this will give you everything what you need in your cold starter.
You know what has also impressed me, chef, is that when you generally go to restaurants, right, not very many people are comfortable serving you 2 veg starters. So that also speaks a lot about your comfort in what you're making, which I am very impressed with. अब खाकर देखते हैं. So I just bit into a small piece of feta. Very, very unusual to get this sort of taste when you're, eating any sort of chaat. So this is full of surprises as well. This is probably the most delicate thing I've put my knife into ever. I love it. Oh, wow.
Now, Gaurav, look at this. This is our palate cleanser.
Wow.
And we call it Shikanjvi Gola. It's served like a popsicle, again to transport you back to your younger days.
Oh, this is amazing. And what does this say? This is a
Tiny pressure cooker.
Hawkins ka pressure cooker.
Yes. Every kitchen is incomplete without the cooker.
Oh,
right?
this is amazing.
Indian kitchen.
Amazing. So, this is a Chotu Hawkins classic pressure cooker and it has a छोटा सा popsicle. Now this is in layman's language नींबू पानी का popsicle है. इसके ऊपर चाट मसाला भी लगा हुआ है. This is amazing. I love it.
So Gaurav, main course में बनवाया आपके लिए मलाई lobster, which is done in tandoor
Hi, hi.
and topped over with Goan red rice
Oh, wow.
with kasuri methi papdi on the top for that little crunch and bite you need, and of course sauces on the side. And other dishes, pav bhaji.
That's pav bhaji.
Exactly, this is pav bhaji. Look at those tiny paws.
This looks beautiful and really, I have not gone to a fine dining restaurant and had pav bhaji in really, really long.
And the surprise package is a tiny batata vada on the top.
Okay, this looks exciting. There's certain magic when this happens in front of you. And it may not be so magical if you're doing it yourself. There's a magic when a chef does it in front of you. There's something amazing. Chef, mera dhyan sara pav bhaji pe.
I'm so sorry.
For some reason.
I'm so sorry. Let's begin with this first.
So I've never eaten pav bhaji with such a small pav, and this bhaji also looks really nice. The color, the texture looks fantastic. Chef, ये खाएं, इसमें असली भाजी का टेस्ट आएगा.
ये तो आप डिसाइड करेंगे गौरव.
The pav soaked in butter is very beautiful, flavored bhaji. No op. इसमें ऐसा नहीं हो रहा कि एक मसाला overpower कर रहा है दूसरे को. Beautiful flavors of the vegetables that have been used in it. Fantastic. This is actually a very good version of fine dining pav bhaji. Wow. चलो खाया जाए. This lobster looks really inviting. It's a beautifully cooked lobster. Fantastic textures. A very, very mild tomato gravy. Chef, this is really good.
Soft plus sondhapan is also coming up beautiful in your.
Such mild and beautiful flavors, not killing anybody.
Gaurav, I have something very interesting for desserts. I'm sure jalebi आपने बहुत बार खाई होगी.
Of course.
But just look at the way we present it on our tree, and we call it jalebi tree.
Oh, there it is. Oh my God. Look at this. Oh, this looks awesome. And it's very nice, patli si. I'm hoping very crispy.
Exactly,
jalebi.
very crisp, not very sweet. Stay crisp for a longer time.
I
It's
love
served with mascarpone rabdi.
Oh, इसमें dip कर लें?
Exactly.
Okay. This looks amazing. There's nothing in the world like a good jalebi.
And Gaurav, here I have lotus treacle tart. So amazing combination between lotus and treacle. See the amount of sauce, topped with some salted caramel.
This is sinful, guys. This is sinful. So while I dig into this piece of beautiful sin, you go check out my top 3 picks at Jodhpur.
It's a K Company production.